Hi everyone, my name is Tarun. My trainer name is Surender sir. Today I am going to explain about OOPS concept. There are four main pillars of OOPS. They are these are the four main pillars of OOPS concept. First of all, inheritance. First of all, what is inheritance? Inheritance means acquiring properties from one class to another class. That is parent class to child class. That is known as inheritance. In inheritance, we have five types. These are the five types we have in inheritance: single level inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Single inheritance, acquiring properties from one class to another class, is known as single inheritance. Similarly, in multiple acquiring one child class acquire properties from two or more parent class is known as multiple inheritance. But basically, multiple inheritance is not supported in Java because the child class confuses in from what which parent class should acquire the properties. So it is not supported in OOPS concept. We can achieve it by using interfaces. And multi-level inheritance, acquiring properties, one child class acquire properties from one parent class, and that parent class acquire properties from another parent class is known as multi-level inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance, where two or more child class acquiring properties from one parent class is known as hierarchical inheritance. Similarly, as hybrid inheritance, it is a combination of one or more inheritance is known as hybrid inheritance. Next, polymorphism. Polymorphism means an object shows different behaviors at different situations in its life cycle is known as polymorphism. And polymorphism we have two types. Compare In polymorphism, we have two types: compile-time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. In compile-time polymorphism, we can achieve it by using method overloading, whereas in runtime polymorphism, we can achieve it by using method overriding, inheritance, and upcasting. Similarly, abstraction. Abstraction it only shows the functionality where it hides the entire implementation details. Is known as abstraction. We can achieve abstraction by using interfaces and abstract methods, abstract classes. And encapsulation. Encapsulation, wrapping up of data into a single unit, is known as encapsulation. We can achieve encapsulation by using setter and getter method. Setter and getter method, where getter method is used to retrieve the information of the data, and we have only read-only access in getter method. In setter method, we can set the value to that particular variable. We can give the value to the variable, and it has write-only access. These are the four main pillars of OOPS. Thank you.